We're heading out to a local area because we want to put the brand new NIST Course Pro, our version 2, out into the field. It's now magnetic, which is really awesome, and a much easier deployment, slightly smaller buckets, much easier to travel with. So we're going to go ahead and get that set up and show you guys how it works and how it's going to make your drone program more efficient. The design of the basic level 1 proficiency course is to get a pilot ready and prepared to make very basic maneuvers and be safe when they're flying out there. When we set these up, we're gonna have them at a specific distance, depending on how your training parameters are set. Here's the easiest part, right? You've got magnets, tells you specifically where they need to go. And within a minute and a half, we've got all the buckets set up. A specific flight course is they're gonna take off from home, hover above the first bucket and shoot down and take a shot of that bucket and gimbal up and take the next bucket shot over there at 2A. Your pilots get a basic understanding of how to pilot, maintain orbits, and to be able to use their gimbal efficiently. And another benefit to our Pro Course version 2 is it does allow for an extension and to move into the next level of proficiency. Today we've got it for level 1, but there are level 2, 3, 4, and 5, which will require our entire system for that test. We're excited to share the new NIST Course Pro version 2 with you. I'd like to introduce you guys to Bailey Rapp. He is one of our newest members of our team. He has never flown the NIST course before, so we're gonna go through and I'm gonna teach him a couple of the maneuvers for the level 1 proficiency. So Bailey, why don't we go ahead and spin those props up? And once you hover above stand number 1, gimbal down, get me a photo of the top of the bucket. Perfect. And gimbal forward and give me 2A. Take a photo of that. And now you're gonna rotate left 360. So the basis of the level 1 proficiency test with the NIST course, with NIST level 1, is to give a pilot a basic understanding of gimbal control and being able to stay at the same altitude as he's maneuvering the aircraft. The second half of the level 1 test will involve some orbits, and that keeps people's focus on the subject that they're looking at in the gimbal while being able to maneuver around it in 360 degrees. So you guys just saw how easy it is to set up, how easy it is for a newer pilot to be able to go through the proficiency course, and it's gonna help your program allow your pilots to be better and safer when they're flying.